Have you heard of rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is simply the process of collecting rainwater in a tank or tanks so it can then be used to irrigate landscaping. People have and do use rainwater for potable needs. However, in this case, a filtration and sanitization system will be needed for this type of application. And regular water quality testing will also be needed as well. Water quality tests can be purchased. Other water harvesting sources include but are not limited to air conditioning condensate harvesting, fog harvesting, and other programs that municipalities operate, such as toilet-to-tap programs and desalination plants. AC condensate is atmospheric moisture that condenses on contact with cold surfaces like an AC coil. The air loses its ability to hold moisture, so it condenses. Condensate is similar to distilled water. There are no minerals, pH is neutral, and it is low in suspended solids. The only risk with condensate harvesting is if the AC coils were soldered together with solder that contains lead. A lead test can be performed to determine if lead is present in your AC condensate. Many arid countries practice what is called fog harvesting. Early morning dew and fog is collected on a mesh net, and the water beads and runs down into collection troughs or pipes that then collect the water in tanks. Regarding toilet-to-tap programs, many countries have had such programs in operation for years. Sewage is essentially processed and turned back into clean, safe, potable water. Water testing has proven the safety of this type of system. Lastly, another form of water harvesting is desalination. Desalination, however, is very expensive. From the initial building of a desalination plant to the operation of a plant. It requires a lot of energy. Now, let's talk about water-saving devices and some things you can do today to start conserving water. You can install a low-flow toilet in your home or business, or a dual flush valve kit on your toilet. A simple alternative is to fill a water bottle with water and place the water bottle inside your toilet tank. This will displace some of the water, and thus your toilet will use less water. You can install low-flow aerators on all your faucets, or installing low-flow shower heads. They also make low-use sprinkler heads that will reduce your water usage as well. If your sprinkler system doesn't have one already, a rain sensor can be installed on your irrigation timer that will shut off your sprinkler system during a rain event. Simply walking around your house, inside and out, looking for running toilets, leaky pipes, dripping faucets, and correcting those issues will save you money and water. In the business world, you can install waterless urinals in your restrooms. Wash rack water recycling systems for washing procedures are a huge water saver as well. Mop Water Reclamation Systems are yet another water reclamation system that can reduce your water consumption and overhead costs.